Something about ducks. They look stuck. Stuck? Right. Time for a rescue.
Dito, pag gabi, bilis. Truck lang kalaban mo sa Mindanao.
Hindi daw ko yung isa.
That's what we're here for.
Meron dito.
Turn that off.
May isa na ha. Gabi na.
We're stuck again.
Everybody loves a slippery slide, especially one with a big muddy puddle at the bottom. Today, Peppa and George are running a restaurant.
Hello, we have a reservation at
Ayoko na nga mag-apply sa iba.
Lovely Dinosaur Restaurant.
Focus ako dito sa ano.
Mrs. Mommy and Mr. Daddy.
Ano, bataas na yung
Your name.
Wala rin naman eh. Increase mo.
Lit-lit lang ng increase eh.
Romantic meal.
Si Bebs niya, hindi ako sinagot nung sinabi kung sinama ba yung increase dun sa 30% sa yung prem. Hindi ni-reply yan.
Key traffic.
Alam ko na ibig sabihin.
Oh, the traffic was
Here's the menu.
30% ng ano mo. So, siyempre, hindi kasama dun yung ano. Ikaw na lang din yung calculate mo.
please.
Siyempre, yung usa.
Ibig sabihin basic lang, tinanggal na
Oo.
yung prem niya. So, ibig sabihin, 5,000 lang yung dinagdag mo or 4K.
Ito.
Good work,
Kung
Chef.
basic niya ay 30 ano kasi sila Bebs eh. Hindi naman kasi siya nagtatap roll nun eh.
Very
Yung
young.
basic
pero-
lang, hindi siya ganun kataas yung basic niya.
Yun nga, yung 30% na sinasabi niya doon, yung sa basic talaga yun.
Oo, basic.
Ba't mo isasama sa computation yung prem eh? Yung prem naman kasi, nakadepende yan sa performance. Additional siya eh. So labas talaga yun. So kung tinasang ka, halimbawa may 30 ka, tinasang ka 30%, 9 ang dagdag sa'yo. Minus yung prem mo, so 4,000 lang tinaas ng ano.
Napaka-cute.
Bagay, kung wala namang iba, why not, di ba?
Ang hindi kasi nag-sacrifice nun sa 4K doon.
Ito dito ba?
Start ka.
Nawala na yung sign dito na go on red.
I know.
I'm not sure kung applicable pa yung
Now we can have a baby check together.
I'm not sure kung applicable pa dyan yung ano,
I feel better already.
yung lumiko ka ng naka-red. Kasi tinanggal na yung ano, tinanggal yung,
Ano, 58 pesos. Ay, shit.
paano kaya yan? Ano? Paano mo malalaman na magra-right ka sa red? May, ang laki pa naman nung nakasulat. Ang laki pa naman. Huwag mo yung ano kasi kanina pa kumakain. Diyan ka naman. Ang laki pa naman nakasulat na ano, contract apprehension. Pag hindi ka naman nag-go, huwag mo sinahan ka nang nasa likod mo.
I think I need a toilet break. Honestly, it's like every 5 minutes.
Tanong ko nga yan.
Saka may right na yun. Hindi naman siya yung parang right na
George, stop it.
Tanong ko yan dun sa mga groups.
This machine is called a dumper. It's a bit like a microphone, so we can hear the baby.
I can't
when a pig gives birth, there's a lot of them. Like 5 pigs and 5
Today,
20?
5 kasi. Malnourished yung 5 mo.
Grabe naman sa 20. Ang sarap pala
More than
mag-alaga ng baboy.
20. Pero kung konti lang yung nagsusurvive dyan, parang aso yan sila.
Ay, namamatay yan.
Pag hindi mo naalagaan na maayos, napaka-sensitive. Kakasakit, unti-unti sila nagkakasakit.
never been to the doctors before. He is a little nervous.
Uy,
Don't worry, George. The doctors just want to make sure you feel good. What is something?
Exactly. Come on in, and don't forget your little red book.
Miss Rabbit and Dr. Brown Bear need to check George's heart.
Step this way, please, George.
ang likod.
George is sure you like the light red.
Wow, you're getting very tall, Peppa. You'll be a big grown-up soon.
George wants to know if he is very tall.
Ganda talaga pag kabisado mo na yung kalsada, no?
Wow, you're so big and tall, George.
Now it's time to check George's weight with a special machine.
Siguro pag nag-grab ka talaga, makakabisado mo lang ng mga lugar.
This machine will tell us how much you weigh, George.
And it's really good for bouncing.
Loves bouncing. Now it's time to listen to George's heart with a special tool called a stethoscope.
This might be a little cold.
The stethoscope is very cold.
Try this, George. You can listen to my heartbeat too.
George likes listening to Peppa's heart.
You did very well today, George. So you get a sticker. And one for Dr. Peppa Pig for being so helpful too.
Today,
Tama,
Peppa and
hindi.
her family have come
Yung
to
nakasunod sa akin, hindi kabisado yung kalsada. Buti ko siya mapasok doon sa ano.
need some new glasses. Daddy Pig,
Kasunod sa'yo.
Yun, mga nandun sa likod. Buti ko siya mapasok doon sa U-turn.
This way, Daddy.
Dr. Pony is an optician.
Tapos tayo naman yung napunta sa ibang lugar.
So, Daddy Pig, what happened to your old glasses?
Wala naman kasi sa clear size dito banda. Walang ano, sulat-sulat yung kalsada. Ay, meron.
Road sign, arrow.
Nalikod,
Yep,
nalikod.
that'll do it. We'll just do a few tests to check your eyes are healthy, and then we can see about getting you some new glasses.
Likod, likod, likod. Likod,
Right, pop your chin just here and keep your eyes wide open, please. Now you'll just feel a little puff of air. 3, 2,
kuya nag-a-assist na hindi ka rin naman nakikita, mabangga ka sa ginagawa mo. Ang ilaw niya ano lang, yung pahawak pa.
What about these?
Pastila pa na. Trabaho yung kuya. Cellphone niya na 3310 yung pinang-iilaw niya sa mga...
Would you like an extra pair in case you
Bro,
have any other
ano pag
accidents in the
hindi
kitchen?
bumagal, hindi kabisado yung lugar. Pag kabisado mo na, alam mo na na may ano dyan eh, intersection dyan eh.
But Peppa and George love his new spare glasses. Today, Mummy Pig is having cravings.
Have you ever got Mommy?
Sorry, I can't decide
Just
what to
like
eat.
Mommy.
My cravings keep changing.
What's craving?
Having a baby in my belly means that what I like to eat is always changing, and sometimes a bit strange.
I remember, George, you always ate ketchup and bananas.
Ketchup.
And when you were in my tummy, I craved strawberries and mayonnaise.
Ba? Tawa-tawa ka
It's
pa.
all right. I'll figure it out.
We can use this map to help you choose, Mommy.
Oh, good idea.
This
Mukha nang malapit dito kasi dahil sobrang luwang ng kalsada.
No worries, I'll fix that in a jiff.
Ano
But it's
parang...
given Peppa a great idea.
Wait, we can still use it to pick the food, like a spinny wheel.
Oh,
Whee!
I see. Let's have a go. I'll have...
Ta-da!
Ay, pabigas pala tayo.
That's just as good as a big bowl of pasta.
Your turn, Mommy. Whee!
Now the wheel has landed on.
Noodles. I love noodles. Let's go. Bonjour.
Dito ko lang nakikita yung headlight ko.
They're so wiggly.
Pag may katabi kang ibang ano ang lakas, sus, wala.
Maybe not noodles. Let's try again. Maybe something a bit less wiggly. Like
Fish.
yes.
Everybody loves pizza, Mommy.
Maybe not.
Ay! Gusto
Everybody.
kitang kagatin.
Sorry,
Kakadyakat mo.
cravings.
Nangangagat.
Phew, I can always eat pasta. Let's do it.
Are you sure?
Oh yes, broccoli pasta is delish.
Yung mga kalsada na akala mo flat ka.
Ha?
Yung mga kalsada ba na pakiwari mo flat
Why
yung
don't
gulong
you
mo.
get your lunch and I'll try
Kaya nung
again in
kanina,
a
oh.
while.
Ganun yung feeling ng flat eh.
Mummy,
Yung gulong. Or go.
Mummy's not sure she'll ever find something to eat until...
Gigigil ako kay
That
Hagel.
pickle smells good, George. And could I borrow a bit of this, Peppa?
Okay.
You don't need all this bread, do you?
help yourself, Pickle.
Mummy Pig has finally found something to eat. A peanut butter and pickle sandwich.
Yung mga nag-guide ng ganyan ba? Pakadelikado yung trabaho nila pero
You're not craving.
binibigyan na sila ng
Everyone fixes
limang
as
piso.
as she does. Today,
So,
Mummy
tingnan
Pig
siguro
has a
pag may nagbigay ng 10 piso.